Hi people, this is Akash and you're watching Rare. Today I will compare TikTok and YouTube simultaneously with the stats available on the internet. So these are the categories by which I will compare both TikTok and YouTube. So any further delay, let's get started. Number 1, we have number of downloads. TikTok has been downloaded over 1.5 billion times all across the internet, including Play Store. So I want to mention you that in India there are over 542 million active internet users, which means 82% of internet active users in India has downloaded TikTok from Play Store or any other app stores. All the stats and figures are based on the information available in internet. So links for those articles are down below in description. Coming over to YouTube, every Android mobile has a pre-installed YouTube app in it. There are 2.7 billion active Android users as of March 9, 2019, which means YouTube has been downloaded over 2.5 billion times because it is pre-installed in our Android devices. So clearly YouTube get 1 point and TikTok 0. Number 2, we have active users. TikTok has over 800 million active users as of now. Coming over to YouTube, we have 2 billion people streaming in YouTube. So again, YouTube get 1 point and TikTok 0. Number 3, we have flexibility or ease of searching content. Users of TikTok didn't have freedom to search particular content. I observed that based on the hashtags, it was showing results. I have to admit that. Irrespective of content of that video, people are using hashtags. For instance, I searched technology on TikTok. It show me 70 to 80% technology related stuff. Not exactly, but yeah, pretty much. But 30% of videos were based on girlfriend related or fun related or sister related, and I just searched for technology, but it was showing all these kind of stuffs. I suspect that these contents will not fall under technology, or are they?
जब लड़कियों के पास करने के लिए कुछ नहीं होता तो अब वो अपना मूड ख़राब कर लेती हैं, फिर वो उससे लड़ती हैं जिससे वो सबसे ज़्यादा प्यार करती हैं। फिर वो जो प्यार करने वाला बंदा उन्हें मनाता है, तब वो खुश हो जाती। नाइस टेक्नोलॉजी।
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Moving over to YouTube, YouTube users has freedom to search the content whatever they want, and it also gives accurately what content they need. So for this, YouTube get 1 point and TikTok 0. Number 4, we have average time to get 1 million followers or 1 million subscribers. It is really not easy to get 1 million followers in TikTok and also in YouTube. Like for instance, I am not able to get 100 subscribers till date. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and help me to reach 100 subscribers mark. For this I will give each 1 point because it is pretty much difficult to get 1 million followers in TikTok or in YouTube or in any other platform. But in YouTube it is very hard. Trust me. Number 5, average time spent by users. Users spend an average of 52 minutes in TikTok, which is equals to 208 videos. Considering every single video in TikTok is equals to 15 seconds, as most of them. Moving on to YouTube, users spend an average of 40 minutes in YouTube. But I want to tell you that the users of YouTube spend 40 minutes of their time at a time, which means they watch 40 minutes of videos at a single go. But on an average, people are spending more time in TikTok, so I will give 1 point to TikTok and 0 points for YouTube. 41% of TikTok users are aged between 16 to 24. But coming over to YouTube, roughly 50 to 60% of people are aged between 16 to 24. So YouTube get 1 point for this and TikTok 0. Coming over to the revenue generated by these apps, TikTok has generated $176.9 million US in 2019, excluding non-iOS Chinese revenue. And YouTube generated over 2 billion or somewhat. So the last category is revenue generated by these apps. TikTok has generated nearly $176.9 million US in 2019, excluding non-iOS Chinese revenue. Coming over to YouTube, YouTube has generated between $9.4 billion US to $14 billion US in 2018, and the valuation of TikTok is about $75 billion US. It is estimated that YouTube valuation is between 140 to 160 billion US dollars. So clearly YouTube get 1 point for this and TikTok get 0. Clearly TikTok got 2 points and YouTube wins the match. It's not a match. Comparison by over 5 lead. So YouTube gets 7 points and TikTok got 2 points only. But I think it is unfair to compare. It is unfair to compare the industry giant with the small one. But for this comparison, YouTube clear cut won this match. Like macha diya. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you so, then don't forget to hit that thumb button. And if you want to see more such kind of latest and also fun related and educational related stuff, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon and notify all so that you will never miss when I post a video. Until then, peace out.